Together again, my baby.
Reunited and it feels so good. Oh! Oh!
Wait.
We got our oil changed and syempre it was a little bit of a hot day earlier today. So medyo lusaw na.
Hot.
Yeah, lusaw na yung makeup ko. So anyway, I'm gonna retouch and I really love using lip tints and cheek tints, especially in the car. Diba with the tints,
Why,
parang
what's
kahit
your
ano, you can just ganyan. May
Hindi
kulay
pa kayo
ka na.
marunong.
Okay.
Ako hindi ako marunong.
I have a trick.
What?
This one's bittersweet magenta. Yours is summer kiss, right? Ayan, I just put in the middle. Yan, like a circle like that. And then I
Okay.
just blend it outward.
Wait, because you have cheeks. You know,
You have cheeks?
Yeah, but sometimes it's like chubby cheeks.
I have to smile.
You have to smile.
You smile first?
Smile first.
And then
yeah.
yan o, nakita mo yung
Yung apple
Ito?
ng cheek mo.
oh yan, dyan mo lang
Yan.
ilalagay.
And
And
then
how do you blend it?
And then
in a circular motion going
Yan.
outward. Yan.
Pantayin mo na.
There. I do also put this in my eyelids.
Really?
Also.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, para may kulay pa rin.
Yeah.
Alam nga naman yung
Seryoso,
mata mo
that's just-
walang...
Hindi ako marunong mag-makeup.
You just,
Tsaka kung
you
nagkamali
erase it
ka,
lang. Erase it
Nagkamali ka, madali lang siyang burahin.
Okay,
Okay, let's go.
yes, we're going out of town.
Woo!
Thank you for... Really, I'm really happy that you're here.
I
Every
know!
time for us.
Since you're so used to the on-the-go lifestyle, how do you beautify yourselves while in the car and on the go?
Ako, the one thing that I really always had in my bag is cheek tint. KJM, I also like that brand because it's all natural and it's made in Davao.
Yeah, we should really support
It's a-
more
it's a
local.
local product.
I mean, quite honestly, these are good quality makeup. So what we did a while ago before picking you up was that number one, we made sure that we were full tank. So full tank kami ngayon. And we also made sure that our water was good. And
So the car is hydrated.
yeah, so the car is hydrated because hydration is
So
important.
the car is fresh.
And then we also checked our oil.
You know,
We
to
had
check
enough
the oil like that.
Yeah, we were taught a while ago.
Lipstick.
Yeah, with the
Yeah.
dipstick.
When you look at it,
How do you call it? Lipstick?
dipstick.
Oh, a dipstick.
Dipstick.
Yeah.
Kala ko
So,
lipstick.
so yun, naka-change oil na kami at lahat-lahat.
You're missing one.
Wait, let me. Air.
For the tire.
Air
Yeah,
pressure
I
for
know
the
that.
tires.
Every time you go out of town, you always check
Always
your
check
air.
everything. Kasi the worst that could happen talaga is ma-flat tire ka on the road. Like,
Oh my god, have you ever changed tires?
Have you done it?
Yeah!
Naka-change it?
Grabe.
Oh, turuan.
I have.
Let's have her teach us.
sige, can you teach
I
us how to
mean,
change
I've
tire?
never had to. I've never
Sobrang
had to.
haggard. Like, sinabi ko talaga kung sino lang hihinto dito, babayaran ko siya para lang palitan yung gulong ko. Pero it's a good experience. You guys should learn how to do it. At dapat naka-outfit tayo.
And that's our next
Like,
episode.
you know, jeans, natin jeans, and sandal, just change that.
Ano, may car wash effect rin.
Yeah! Yung pawis-pawis tayo. Okay. It's so hard.
Now that you are reaping the rewards of your hard work, what personal finance advice can you give young women out there?
Ako now, since I have this endorsements and inipon ko siya lahat, and then I'm planning to get a condo and have it rent. Yun, I try to like set goals of my life na every after show I have to buy something that would also earn money and keep the money going kasi if I just put it in the bank, it will just be stuck there.
I think it's a really smart idea for young women to already figure out how to create passive income for themselves as early as now. Yung
Yeah.
money that
I mean, I can't stay like this forever.
earns
so.
for you while you're sleeping. You can usually do that with real estate, right?
Yeah, real estate or even like
Before
obviously
it-
businesses also.
Before kasi every after show, bag, alahas. Then I realized it's not really, it's just there. It's not earning and it's not moving. So,
And it's so easy to fall into that trap.
but
About
it's
your
also
money.
nice to like
Siyempre, you have to
reward
motivate
yourself.
and reward yourself also.
I want to know if Beauty were to create content on YouTube, what would they want to see?
I think for me, they would want to see how I lost all the weight.
Oy, actually,
Ikaw ang
That's number
pinakamasipag
yeah, you're
mag-workout sa
super
lahat.
fit, po. You're as sipag as my husband. That's pretty
Oo,
sipag.
grabe husband mo. Like, unahan kami sa umaga. Sabi
Unahan.
Ay, grabe sis, Miko, gising na, nag-workout ka kang muna. Ako din workout.
They have like a silent competition going on.
Grabe, he wakes up as early as 5 or 6, no?
Ikaw din naman you do that also.
Actually, lahat naman tayo, maaga tayo magising eh. Pero ako,
Siya nag-workout
Oo nga,
before she
sabi
goes
ko,
to work. I
Pero
don't do
tayo, naglo-loading tayo for 3 hours.
Mag nagloloya. Kami ni Sam,
B, what are you
wake up
doing?
at 5:30, pero
We're
from
just-
5:30 to 8:30, nagano'n lang kami sa bahay. Walang
Hindi
ginagawa.
kasi, tawag dito, ang hirap
Minsan
lang kasi,
nagte-text.
yung taping, my working hours is like 18 hours. So I have to like squeeze in a little time for like taking care of how I look. Kasi nakakataba sa taping. Nakakataba kaya sa taping. Siyempre, puyat ka. You wanna look for something sweet or like you wanna munch on something. So, ay, pumayat
It's a good
ako dahil kay Bianca sa Pusong Ligaw. That is so true talaga. Nakita ko, ay, nagugulay siya. Sabi ko, oh my God, ako din, gulay-gulay.
Grabe rin kasi itong mga guilt trip eh.
Oo.
I'm a true friend talaga.
Yeah, she's a true friend.
We need a friend like that talaga
Kailangan
to
mo naman
guide us
talaga ng
through. Diba?
truthful friend.
Wait, I just have to say something. People should subscribe to this channel and and like this video if they like it and comment down below what they think. That's what I think.
Yes. I also think that if they want to ask us any questions or have any ideas for our upcoming episodes and shows, to also share their comments and message us.
Guys, it's super duper traffic.
It's gonna start to get dark while we're on the highway as well, so we're gonna have to wrap this up for you all.